Why use video for content creation? Really, video is a fantastic way to capture content, and it's all about content marketing these days. Everybody has blogs and websites and social media channels with Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, and you're wondering, what's the point? Like, what's the return on investment on posting to these different channels? Video is a great way to capture that content by answering questions, specifically frequently asked questions particular to your business or whatever it is your area of expertise. Because let's face it, you want to establish yourself as an expert in your field, and Google, when people go to search online, is all about providing answers. People are typing in a question in Google, and if you literally have that question as the title of your blog, of your video, somewhere on your website with a heading, Google is going to give more preference in the Google secret sauce to show your piece of content as the answer because you are an authority on that subject. Now, it doesn't happen overnight, and this organically takes time, but that is why we love to use video to collect content.